Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my unboxing of my Boxycharm base box, and I had some add-ons, so let's go into those first. I got the Beauty Bakery blending eggs. I think I paid $6 for those. Then I got the Fenty Beauty by Ayanna Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighting Duo in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. I'll open that and show you. Hold on a second. Okay. That's what that looks like. It's really pretty. The last thing I did on add-ons was this Hip Dot Cenote palette. I'll open that up and I'll show you too. That's what that looks like. That's so pretty. I'm so glad I got it. Okay, now let's get into the box. The theme this month is Sweet Treats. Okay, that's everything in there. So let's just pull out. Let's see. Looks like I got the Ayanna Palette. I'll open that up in a second. Actually, I'll open that up now. Hold on a second. There she is right there. It's pretty. And that retails for $48. It's a Boxy exclusive. Then I got this Eloise. Come on, what are you? Get Glowing Body Glow Illuminator. It says Eloise Get Gleaming Body Glow. This is a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas of the face and body for a dazzling, buildable glow. This transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin. That retails for $38. I don't think I'll be keeping that. I'll be putting that up for swap. So, okay. Next thing I got in here is from Kinder Beauty. Hold on a second. I'm going to turn on a light, you guys. Okay, that's a little bit better. It says Kinder Glow Highlighter Palette. Let's open that up. Okay, that's what the packaging looks like. I'll open it up just one second. Okay. That's what that looks like. They're pretty. It says Kinder Beauty Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette. Retails for $15. Okay, that's okay. Okay, next thing I got is this, oops, it's upside down. This Appeal liquid eyeshadow in the shade Champagne. That's really small. It's nice. It says Appeal Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow retails for $21. Okay. And the last thing, this is actually what I picked out. It's from Earth Harbor. It's the Aurora Superfood Luminous Ampule Sea Greens plus Cannabis Sativa Hemp. So, let's read about that. It says, give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil, plus pacifying grapeseed oil and neem seed extract. Serenely energize and soothe skin whilst revealing dewy luminous. Retails for $32. That actually wasn't a bad box. I was actually surprised to get this because it wouldn't let me, when we had choices, it wouldn't let me pick this. So I'm surprised I actually got that. So that's nice. The only thing that I'm not keeping is this Eloise Body Glow Illuminator. I'll be putting that up on the swap site. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry for the weird angle. I don't feel all that great today, so I just didn't want to show my face. So anyway, Hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.